Hello student, our today's topic is assign users to tolerance group. You can assign a financial accounting employee for whom you want to define special tolerances to a group. Tolerances for posting and clearing documents or document line items are defined for the group. For assigning users to tolerance group, we can use transaction code OB57 or by path SPRO SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transactions, Open Item Clearing, Clearing Differences and assign users to tolerance group. SAP में देखते हैं हम प्रैक्टिकली कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे. SPRO SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transaction, Open Item Clearing, Clearing Differences and assign users to tolerance group. Click on New Entries and enter our username and tolerance group. Then press enter and click on save button. Click on create request button, enter your description, assign users to tolerance group. Then click on save button and click on continue button.